What's up, gang? Alright, so we got this Mac in today with a cracked screen. Let's see if I can get it to show. Yeah, y'all see it. It's very damaged. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that out, put a new one in. Alright. So we're gonna start with just taking out the bottom case. It's an older Mac, 2013. Friend of mine's, which is funny. Long time friend, probably over 30-some years friends. And she came in today, brought this computer in. She said, "Yo, I bought this from you." I'm like, "Man, that must have been a long time ago." And as we was talking, you know, we just reminiscing. I'm like, "Man, how long you been married?" She's like, 20 years. I said, "God damn, that's a long time." Especially considering that we 40 years old. So I'm like, "Damn, you've been married for 20 years. You got married as soon as we got out of school." So I say all that to say, she's a woman who is very loyal and devoted to what she has, because she's had this laptop for quite a while. Most people would probably replace the laptop, but not her. Also, behind me is one of her computers, is a desktop. She's getting them both fixed. They're both old, but the personality of some folks is they like what they already have. They don't want nothing else, don't want nothing new, nothing different. I ain't mad at her. She's a loyal person. The screen cable out. Some Wi-Fi cables. Now this joint's so old, I gotta be careful when I lift any cable, because in my experience, these cables tend to break from old age. Usually I just yank these up, but these little thin cables over time tend to fall apart. Not the case today. Successful. Now for some reason Apple put the webcam in a stupid spot. So you gotta remove this I/O board just to get it out. Now on top of all of that, you gotta get the fan out. So a couple screws for the fan and this board, so that you can get access to the webcam cable. The officials have come to their decision. So now we done freed that cable up. And now get that out. And now we can finally try to take the screen out.
Salvation is the only way. Yes, sir.
Hey. Alright, so now the screen is off. Now we gotta get it off the other one and then put it on this one. Alright, so we got the new screen. We're dropping it in now, locking in the hinges. But before we go too far, what I'm gonna do is just connect the screen itself. Just double check it.